They say love is rare, but that's not true anymore. Love is everywhere. On your feed, in your DMs, on every swipe and scroll. But here's the dark truth. It's not love we're chasing anymore. It's validation, dressed up as affection. Because deep down, we don't want someone who understands us. We want someone who chooses us, publicly. But the craziest part is even when we get that, it's never enough. Because we've mistaken being seen for being known. And those two are not the same thing. Once upon a time, love was private. Now, it's performance art. We post our partners, we share our moments, we turn affection into content, and slowly, we start performing even when no one's watching. You don't hold hands because you feel it. You hold hands because someone might take a picture. You don't say, "I love you," because it's real. You say it because it looks good on your story. But here's the twist. The more we perform love, the less we actually feel it. Because performance kills presence, and love dies where presence disappears. You ever notice how we're drawn to the people who hurt us the most? It's not random. It's psychology. We chase the feeling of almost being loved, almost being enough, and almost being chosen. Because almost keeps us addicted. It's emotional gambling. We keep pulling the lever, hoping this time it'll pay out. But it never does. And when it doesn't, we call it fate. But it's not fate. It's familiarity. We mistake trauma for chemistry, pain for passion, chaos for connection. And that's why so many relationships today feel like roller coasters instead of homes. Here's something no one admits. We don't actually want love. We want distraction. We want someone to text when we're bored, to fill the silence, to remind us we're wanted, even if it's temporary. But the second real intimacy appears,
You have 3
we
new
panic
notifications.
because
Urgent
intimacy
security alert.
means
Log in
vulnerability.
Don't miss
And
this limited time
vulnerability
offer.
means risk. We crave closeness, but we fear exposure. So we end up stuck in a loop, close enough to feel something, distant enough to stay safe. And that's why relationships keep breaking, not from lack of love, but from fear of being seen. Social media didn't just change love, it rewired it. Now, your partner isn't just your partner, they're your brand extension. Their looks, their likes, their lifestyle all reflect on you. We've turned romance into marketing and people into products. And when relationships end, we don't grieve, we rebrand. New haircut, new aesthetic, new caption, healing era. We treat heartbreak like a PR campaign, and the algorithm rewards it. So the question isn't who do you love anymore, it's who makes you look good loving them. Everyone's replaceable now. That's the curse of abundance. One fight, swipe. One flaw, block. One disagreement, move on. We don't fix.
We replace. But the more options you have, the less satisfied you become. Because abundance creates anxiety. Too many choices mean no commitment. And no commitment means no depth. So we end up with relationships that are wide, but shallow. Lots of people, but no one who truly knows us. Modern love is a trade, not a bond. We don't ask, can I grow with you? We ask, what can I give you right now? And when they stop giving, we stop loving. But here's the paradox. The best relationships aren't built on needs. They're built on presence. Not what can I get, but who can I be when I'm with you? That kind of love is rare now because it can't be performed. It can only be felt. Modern relationships don't fail because people don't care. They fail because people care for the wrong reasons. We care about being desired, not being understood. We care about being chosen, not being known. So we chase fantasy over reality. The idea of love over the truth of it. But love isn't fireworks. It's not dopamine. It's not the high. It's the stillness that remains after the high fades. That's the part no one posts because it doesn't get likes. Maybe the truth is, love didn't die. It just got quieter, more invisible, harder to find in a world built on noise. Maybe the ones who still believe in real love don't talk about it. They live it. They protect it. They keep it sacred in a world that profits off pretending. Because when you stop performing, you finally start feeling.
And when you stop chasing love to be seen, you finally become someone worth being loved. Here's the thing most people miss. Love isn't about validation. It's about resonance. It's not about how many hearts react. It's about how your soul reacts. So here's the question. Are you in love, or are you just afraid of being alone? Because one will heal you, and the other will destroy you, slowly. And here's the part no one warns you about. Love isn't just about finding someone. It's about finding yourself first. Because the heart that's whole doesn't need constant validation. The soul that's rooted doesn't fear intimacy. And the mind that's present doesn't chase illusions. So maybe the most radical thing you can do today is stop performing, stop pretending, stop scrolling for proof that you're wanted. Sit in the quiet, listen to your heart, feel the love that's already inside you. And then when someone comes along, you'll know it's not about being seen. It'll be about being felt. Because love that's real doesn't need an audience. It doesn't need applause. It doesn't need documentation. It just exists, silently, powerfully, persistently. And if you learn to love like that, you'll never settle for less. You'll never chase shadows. You'll never mistake attention for affection. If you made it this far, you're already different from most people. So tell me, do you still believe in real love? Comment below and subscribe before you forget, because the next story might just change how you love forever.